Prime Minister Modi's Maharashtra visit today included a major boost for India's naval prowess. He commissioned INS Surat, INS Nilgiri and INS Vakshir at Mumbai's naval dockyard, spotlighting India's growing defence capabilities. The commissioning of a state-of-the-art destroyer, frigate and submarine, all made in India, come at a time when China continues to exponentially grow its navy. Pakistan is also set to expand its naval forces.
The INS Nilgiri, the first of a new class of frigate for the Indian Navy, one of 3 naval combatants inducted today. The Nilgiri, an evolution of the previous Make in India Shivalik class frigate, is better in every sense: greater integration, better missiles, and far better sensors to detect enemy targets out at sea, in the air, or over land. Nilgiri is the first of 7 ships of this class. Each ship is estimated to cost 4,000 crores. Ships of this class are being constructed at Mazgaon Docks, Mumbai and Garden Reach, Kolkata.
इंडियन ओशन रीजन में भारत का जियो स्ट्रेटेजिक और इकोनॉमिक इंटरेस्ट बहुत पुराने समय से ही रहा है। भारत के ट्रेड का 95% हिस्सा इसी रीजन से जुड़ा हुआ है। ऐसे में इंडियन ओशन रीजन में एक सशक्त इंडियन नेवी की प्रेजेंस हमारे लिए स्वाभाविक रूप से सबसे बड़ी यह प्रायोरिटी हो जाती है। आज हो रही 3 बड़े और मॉडर्न प्लेटफॉर्म्स की कमीशनिंग हमारे लक्ष्य प्राप्ति की दिशा में अत्यंत महत्वपूर्ण एक माइलस्टोन है।
The second warship to be commissioned today, INS Surat, is larger than the Nilgiri and is the last ship of the indigenous Vishakhapatnam class. The Surat weighs in at approximately 8,000 tons and incorporates Ukrainian, Israeli, Indian and Russian systems and subsystems all integrated in India. The ship itself has been designed entirely in the country and is widely considered the most powerful surface combatant in the fleet. Surat is the last of 4 ships of this class. Each ship costs at least 8,950 crores. All ships of this class have been constructed at Mazgaon Docks, Mumbai.
पिछले 10 साल में नेवी में 33 शिप्स और 7 सबमरीन्स को शामिल किया गया है। इन 40 नेवल वेसल्स में से 39 भारतीय शिपयार्ड में ही बने हैं।
The final naval combatant commissioned today is the Vakshir, a made-in-India submarine of the French Scorpion class. The Vakshir, a new generation diesel-electric submarine, can fire torpedoes and anti-ship missiles and is a generation ahead of India's older Russian-built Kilo-class submarines and German-type 1500 class subs. The Vakshir is the last of 6 submarines of this class ordered in India. Each submarine costs 3,942 crores, and all were constructed at Mazgaon Docks, Mumbai. The induction of 2 warships and 1 submarine is a red-letter day for the Indian Navy, given the relatively slow pace of manufacture of ships in the country, a concern at a time the Chinese Navy is rapidly expanding. In the last 10 years, India has inducted about 33 warships. In the same period, China is believed to have inducted 148 ships. With the induction of the new destroyer, frigate and submarine, the Indian Navy has added substantially to its firepower and ability to project strength deep into the Indian Ocean. Vishnu Shom for NDTV.